After reporting less than 5,000 cases for some days now, the country saw another sudden surge in the number of COVID cases. 6,422 fresh COVID cases were added to the total tally of COVID-19 infections in the country on Wednesday. 34 COVID-related casualties were recorded on Wednesday, which were almost double the number of deaths that were reported on Tuesday. The active cases now stand at 46,389 and 5,28,250 deaths have been recorded across the country till date. As many as 4,39,41,840 patients have been discharged, according to the data released by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The recovery rate in the country now stands at 98.71%. The World Health Organization has said that future coronavirus waves are expected and that the governments across the world need to remain vigilant and ready to respond to any threat that may emerge. The world has never been in a better position to end the COVID-19 pandemic. The head of the World Health Organization said on Wednesday, his most optimistic outlook yet on the years-long health crisis which has killed over 6 million people. We are not there yet, but the end is in sight, WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus told the reporters at a virtual press conference. BA.4.6, a subvariant of the Omicron COVID variant which has been quickly gaining traction in the US, is now confirmed to be spreading in the UK. The latest briefing document on COVID variants from the UK Health Security Agency noted that during the week beginning August 14, BA.4.6 accounted for 3.3% of samples in the UK. It has since grown to make up around 9% of sequenced cases.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.